Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet a cord. So to make this cord I'm going to use single crochet stitches. You can use this cord in any of your crochet project. Here I use this cord to make this cord necklace. So to make this necklace I used embroidery thread with different color and made this cord. And once I made the cord, I just take this beads and made chain stitches and stitched them together and made at the end made one loop and attached this bead to make this hook. Like this I made this cord necklace, but you can use this cord in number of crochet project. You can use this for making the handles or to make the ropes. You can use this cord. So before we start to make this cord, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this cord. So to make this cord, first we are going to make the chain stitches. So you can make the chain according to the width you want for your cord. So to show you, I am going to make 8 chain stitches. So the width or diameter of a cord will going to be decided by your starting chain stitches. So according to your cord diameter or width, you can make this chain stitches. Now skip first chain and top of next stitch make one single crochet, then in next stitch one single crochet, like this. In remaining 1 2 3 4 5 stitches we are going to make one single crochet. So we made 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 single crochet stitches. So this is the front side of your work. Now just fold this work inside and top of chain 1 which we skipped, here make one slip stitch. So by that you will get this. So now we get this circle shape. So you can see this single crochet stitches. So this is the back side of the single crochet stitch. So this is the knot, this V structure. So we are going to work on this loop of V structure. So 1 2, so on this one, then you can see this next single crochet. So we are going to work on this second. So this is the V. So on right side loop we are going to work like this one, this one. Now take your hook in this loop which is in right side loop, make one single crochet. I'm going to just place the marker here to keep the count. This is my next single crochet. So in first loop of that single crochet, take your hook, then next single crochet. So this is the V. So in first right side loop, take your hook, then this is the next V structure. So in this right side loop of V structure, take your hook, make one single crochet, then in next V structure here, take your hook and make one single crochet, then this is our next single crochet and this is the V. You can see this structure, take your hook, make one single crochet, then this is our last single crochet. So you can see this V. So this is the loop here, make one single crochet, so our first round is done. So to make the cord, we are going to work in rounds. Now in our next round we are going to work, so you can see this stitch will come in between this two stitches like this. So we are going to work on this stitches which come in between this two stitch. So take your hook in that stitch and make one single crochet, place the marker. You can see in between two single crochets you get this stitch. Here we are going to make one single crochet, then in between two single crochets you get this stitch, make one single crochet. You can see this two stitch, there is a stitch in between these two stitches, there you make one single crochet, so round number 2 is done. So in each round we are going to work in between this two stitches, you find this stitch like this, 1 2 3 4 5, 6, and this is very starting one here, 7. So at the starting we made 7 single crochets, so in each round you will find 7 stitches because we are making 7 single crochets, and according to that this width get decide. So now take your hook in that stitch, make 1 single crochet, then in between this two you find this stitch, 1 single crochet, then in between two stitches you can see this stitch, 1 single crochet, in between this two you find this stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last 7. By making this you will get this vertical line. You can find this in between two single crochets, you will get this stitch. So 1, between 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So again in this 7 stitches we are going to make 1 single crochet, so 7 single crochets, and you get this structure. So like this you can continue to work in this stitches which we get in between two single crochets. Here you just need to make 1 single crochets and continue until you get the required length for your cord. So like this you will get this structure. You just have to work in this in between two single crochets, you will get this stitches, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you just need to work on this stitches and make 1 single crochets and work until you will get the required length for your cord. So I hope you have learned from this video on how to make a cord. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.